Right, it's about time Rory's PW gets a rebuild, I reckon. Last piston and that are absolutely knackered, so Double has to put a freshie on it. Best get cracked on with it. Right, so this is Rory's little PW50. Needs a top end rebuild, like stator piston. Well, that's what we've got. We've got a complete new top end, engine oil, bit of 2-stroke. I know it's cheap 2-stroke, but a bit of 2-stroke just to lube everything up as we put it in. So best get this piston on to start off with. This is our Roy boy, isn't it? What's Daddy doing today?
Fixing my bike.
We all motorbike. You like it? Crazy on them, aren't you? Yeah? We get ready so you can go back out. Get geared up. Let's go. And what? No, on rugby pitch. On big field, yeah. So let's go. I'm going to skip this bit out because it's an absolute headache trying to get these little C-clips in. So we'll bring video back in a minute once it's on. Oh, right, boy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, we got there then after scratching his head all nicely in. Put a bit of 2-stroke on the bit of bearing that goes through there that slides through as well. Time for new gaskets and then obviously get rest of kit on it. Lovely. Alright, so that's all top end back on, exhaust back on, new spark plug, HT lead attached to the spark plug. I've just realised I borrowed the carb off of this one for this bike, so we're going to have to quickly whip that off, get carb on, and then hopefully get a little video on it running. It wants to go clean. I'll do that while plastics are off. Alright, all ready. Well, not already. Carb's all back on, that's all ready. Time for a quick oil change and see if she'll fire up. Hoping she will. Can't see why not. And then get our Roy boy back out on her. Right, so we've drained out old oil out. We're using this stuff, MX7, fully synthetic motor oil, for 2 bangers. If you didn't know, for a PW50, the engine takes 300 millilitres of engine oil. So let's get this fucker in. Another tip is, no, don't do what I did and just try pouring it in with that straight in. Get your bottle off top of your 2-stroke. Look how it just sits in there. Oh, well, nearly did. Hold it like that, look, like a little funnel. So that way you're not getting it all out floor. Do you know what I mean? Lovely. All right. It's all back on, oil's in. Let's see if she starts. Probably take 1 or 2 kicks. I've got it a bit of fuel. See if she starts, maybe. That's the next thing to do. An old kick start, because when you kick it down, it just stays down. Be able if it won't start. Oh. Yeah, like that, just stays down. Ain't running though, Bobby. Ain't running, no smoking. Wants a little bit of carb tweaking, I think. But yeah, she's running, so job done. A little bit of carb tweaking and we're well away. Lovely. Did you bite working? Are you happy? What do you reckon? Gonna go out on it?
Yeah.
Do you?
I'm
What?
a big field.
On a big field?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Good to pairing. Couple of heat cycles and we're out, aren't we? Yeah? High five. Bam! Alright, if you've liked this video, drop us a subscribe, drop us a comment, a like even, if you'd like to, and we'll see you next one, won't we, Roy? Say bye. Rory, say bye.